Good morning, everyone. My name is Shubh Sharma, and let's start with our pre-market analysis. Now, let's start with US market. Now, on previous session, the Dow Jones fell by around close to 55 points, Nasdaq fell by around 135 points, and S&P 500 closed at 9 points negative. Now, at the time of recording, the US 30 is showing a gap down opening of 127 points. Now the correction that happened in US market, especially in Nasdaq, was mainly because of the corporate results. So Google came out with results, and the results dragged the Nasdaq down, and Google fell by close to 10%. On the other hand, look at Meta, previously known as Facebook. They came out with results, and it was fabulous, and it was up by 10.5%. So mainly what the profit booking came, the correction came was specifically from corporate results. Now look at other stocks like Oracle, it fell. All these companies came out with results, and it dragged the market down. Now let's talk about FII and DII data. On previous session, FII, they sold close to 394 crores. DII, they bought close to 2634 crores. XGS Nifty showing a gap down opening of 122 points. And the another important thing, gold and silver. So overnight we saw some profit booking both in gold and silver, but I think it's just a normal profit booking. The momentum is still in the upside, and it's a buy on dip market for gold and silver, in both gold and silver. Now Asian markets are mostly flat. Let's talk about our market, Nifty and Bank Nifty. So after the first half, when Nifty fell, after then in the second half we saw some very good move, and Nifty closed about 25,500. Now the support is 25,300 and the resistance is 26,000. In my yesterday pre-market, I said 25,300, very good support, very important support. So market respected those levels, and it went from took the support from those levels and headed towards 25,500 journey. Now Bank Nifty closing about 60,000, very good news. Closing was 60,209, support is 60,000 and resistance is 60,500. Now very few news that is from America. The number one, the Trump tariff threat has started again. The Trump has threatened that 50% tariff on all the overcraft sold by Canada to USA. So Trump will put 50% tariff on all the aircraft sold by Canada to US. So this is why, because the XGS Nifty is showing a gap down. Second, today, which means in the evening time, the Trump will announce who will be the next Fed chairman. So these are the things that we have to look into. Now let's talk about some corporate results. ITC, very much awaited results came out. So the revenue is up by 6.70%, but net profit fell by 0.1%. So expected results, I'll say, definitely they had some consolidation in their businesses, and again I think the pain will continue due to all this increase in their taxes. Now today, Bajaj Auto, Nestle, NTPC and Power Grid will be coming out with results, so we have to watch their results very, very closely. Now if I talk about stock specific and sector specific, I really like Coal India. Now people were asking, like, give me some names about stocks which has momentum also for trading. I usually avoid, but I really like Coal India. Just for, I'm giving it to you all. Coal India looks very strong to me. Very good, given a multi-year breakout, it looks very, very strong on charts, heading definitely towards 470 levels. Keep a stop loss below yesterday low and go long in Coal India. So Coal India looks very strong to me on charts. So I really like PSU Bank, SBI. Yesterday Canara Bank fell because of its number, but still the number has beaten the estimates, so it's a buy on dip market for me. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned a lot. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye and take care.